I am honestly getting tired of seeing this every single day. Design is dead. Designers are cooked. AI replaced designers. And I get it, I understand why people are saying this, but I think most of them are missing what is actually happening. Because yes, AI changed everything. Today, almost anyone can go to an AI tool and say, build me a fitness application, design me a landing page, and they get something pretty solid, sometimes even with a really strong UX. But here is a part nobody talks about. Everything starts to look the same, and you can already see it. Different prompts, different ideas, but somehow same layouts, same components, same structure. It's like using templates. Good templates, but still templates. And this is where people get it wrong. They think because AI can generate designs, design itself is losing value. But the opposite is happening, because the core of design was never execution. The core of design is making choices. The core of design is seeing what others don't see. And that part is not getting easier. Let me explain something from my own experience. There was times in my projects where we had a perfect solution. On paper, it made sense. It followed best practices. Even AI would probably approve that. But when real users came in, they didn't care. They didn't use it the way we expected. They wanted something completely different. And this is something AI can't really give you right now. Because AI works with patterns from the past, but real users change the future. So what happens right now? If you rely too much on patterns, you end up repeating what already exists. If you rely too much on AI, you get validated even when you are wrong. And that's a dangerous place to be. Because real innovation usually doesn't come from copying the patterns. It comes from seeing what everyone else is missing. The iPhone is a really great example here. Apple didn't invent the touchscreen. Smartphones already existed. Touch technology already existed. But what they did invent was the product decision. They removed the keyboard. They trusted gestures. They simplified the interface. They bet on a new mental model before the market fully believed in it. That's the part AI can't do for you, at least for now. AI can remix what already exists. It can extend patterns. It can suggest what looks right. But it can't truly see the future before it becomes obvious. If your value was just pushing pixels, yeah, that's getting replaced. If your value was just following UI trends, AI can do that faster right now. But if your value is thinking, understanding users, creating direction, then you are more valuable than before. Because now everyone can build, which means standing out becomes harder and harder. And when standing out becomes harder, design becomes more important. Let me make this very, very clear. When everything becomes easy, the only thing that matters is what is hard. And most people don't like doing hard things. We all prefer the easy path. Faster tools, shortcuts, automation, and that is exactly why there is an opportunity. Because if everyone is using AI to generate similar outputs, the person who creates something unique wins. I get this question a lot. How I can start in design now that AI is here? Is it already too late to become a designer? Can I still grow in this industry when AI is moving this fast? And honestly, I think most people are asking the wrong question. The real question is not, can I still become a designer? The real question is, do I actually enjoy design enough to keep growing with it? Because AI is going to change the way we work. That part is clear. It will change workflows, it will change tools, and it will make a lot of tasks faster. But that does not mean design disappears. The way you do the job changes. I know this because I didn't even start as a designer. I started as a front-end developer. I was building products. Then at some point while working on our own startup like 12 years ago, I started doing design work too. It wasn't part of some big plan. I didn't sit down and say, now I'm going to become a designer. I just enjoyed it. And over time, that thing I started doing out of interest turned into my first real design opportunity. That's why I think this matters. If you enjoy the process of design and solving problems, if you can spend hours thinking and redesigning and still feel energy from it, then yes, you should start. Because people who are only here for the title or only for the money are the ones who will struggle the most. But people who actually enjoy the work will adapt. And that's what matters now. You also need to stay close to what is happening. Be active, follow trends, and explore new tools, especially AI tools. Everything is moving very fast right now. And if you ignore it, well, you will fall behind very quickly. But at the same time, don't confuse trends with value. Because trends are easy to copy, value is hard to create. So here is a simple way to think about it. If anyone can generate your work with a simple prompt, you are not thinking deep enough. Projects that require real thinking and understanding of people. Because those are the things AI struggles with. And those are the things that make you valuable. So no, design is not dead. It's just changing. This is one of the best times to be a designer because now the gap is clear between people who just generate and people who actually create. You just have to decide which one you want to be. See you in the next one. Bye.